right, listen for the tone.
3, 2, 1.
Hey Jay.
Yeah.
I'd like to review the VDR from that last race, if I can get it, because it looked like somebody was stepping on it.
20.5 in first, 20.3 in second,
Okay.
23.8 in third. $17.6 in first, $19.3 in second, $44.5 in fourth, $23.4 in third, $43.9 in fifth, $17.4 in first, $19.3 in second.
Alright, so this should be us taking it out, right?
Yeah, looks like it. I'm on 5.
So you're right in
21.3 in third, 45 seconds left, 17.5 in first,
Alright, it might take a minute or two. Let's go ahead and bump
18.2 in second.
8. Yeah, this is... Oh, this might be them, so it might need to be further back. That's David.
36.9 in left, 43.4 in fourth.
David's seat, I think,
Yeah, I was
right?
in heat 1.
Okay, so they're changing out now.
Oh yeah, that's me. With the black and white.
15 seconds left, 24.7 in second.
Yeah, we're all coming and sitting down.
10, 9, 8,
Alright, so
7,
it's regular speed
6,
now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. $35.2 in fourth, hovercraft done.
I can't do slow-mo, so we're going to have to pause it if we see it.
I think it was right around my second lap, right around that middle gate when I was having a lot.
47.9 in fifth, leprechaun done.
That's because I was actually blacking out. Whoever was stepping on me.
All right, pilots, retrieve your quads. Heat number 3 on the blocks.